Welcome to an in-depth tutorial that will unlock the secrets of achieving a mesmerizing gradient lip, showcasing both the captivating ombre and ethereal blurred effects. In this comprehensive guide, we will take you on a journey through the intricate steps of creating a lip look that seamlessly transitions between shades, adding a touch of depth and allure to your lips. Whether you're seeking an understated elegance for everyday wear or a striking statement for a special occasion, the gradient lip technique offers endless opportunities for creativity and self-expression. The gradient lip trend has captivated beauty enthusiasts around the world, and with this tutorial, you'll learn how to master this technique with finesse. The ombre effect involves expertly blending two distinct lip colors to achieve a visually captivating gradient that effortlessly commands attention. On the other hand, the blurred effect focuses on softly diffusing lip color for a dreamy, romantic finish that radiates sophistication. Our journey begins with an essential step: lip preparation. Hydrated and exfoliated lips provide the perfect canvas for the gradient lip application, ensuring a smooth and flawless finish. As we delve into the heart of the tutorial, you'll be introduced to the world of lip liners and lipsticks. Here, you'll select the shades that will help you bring your gradient lip vision to life. Whether you're drawn to bold, vibrant hues or subtle, natural tones, the possibilities are limited only by your imagination. You'll master the art of strategic application, starting with the darker shade on the outer edges of your lips and artfully transitioning to the lighter shade towards the center. Blending is the soul of the gradient lip technique, and you'll learn the techniques that allow you to seamlessly merge the two colors together. With patience and precision, you'll achieve the ombre effect that enhances your lip shape and adds a touch of drama. Shifting gears to the blurred effect, you'll discover a different approach. Through gentle tapping motions, you'll learn how to create a diffused and softly romantic appearance that embodies a sense of effortless beauty. Throughout the tutorial, we emphasize the value of practice. Perfecting the gradient lip technique requires attention to detail, but with each attempt, you'll refine your skills and discover the nuances that make your lip look uniquely yours. Whether you're preparing for a romantic evening, a casual daytime outing, or even a daring avant-garde look, the gradient lip technique empowers you to customize your lip artistry to suit your style and mood. Armed with these techniques, you'll confidently experiment with color combinations, creating gradient lips that truly reflect your individuality. Prepare to embark on a journey through the enchanting world of gradient lips, where ombre and blurred effects intertwine to create lips that are not only visually stunning but also convey a story of depth, elegance, and artistic ingenuity. Wish you the best! The end.